Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. I'm a little casual today because it's a Sunday night and we are unboxing my new gaming laptop that I purchased recently. This is a Legion Y740 from Lenovo. I went with the 15-inch version, and this one has a GTX 2080 inside along with an i7, I believe, processor. I can take a look here on the side and give you the actual specs here. Yeah, it's an i7-9750H. We've got 16 gigs of RAM and that 2080 RTX GPU inside. We're going to have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv. But in this video, we're going to take it out of the box, see what it looks like, and we are also going to see what's inside of the laptop from an upgradability standpoint. So this is the laptop itself. This is the 15-inch version, and I opted for the 144 Hz 1080p display. They have a few display options available, but I went with the reasonable choice, I think. I think in 15 inches, 1080p is fine. What we've got here on the side, let me switch over to my other camera and give you a better look here. We've got a Thunderbolt port here on the side. I believe this will support the 4-lane architecture there. Headphone microphone jack. I really like how thin and light this is. This is very nice for a premium gaming laptop. We've got power going in here. We've got a Kensington lock. We've got 2 full-size USB 3 ports, a gigabit Ethernet port, HDMI display port. On the other side here, we've got another USB port. Really nice feeling device, actually. All metal. Cool stuff. I got a little ultimate support here, and that is what it looks like. Pretty cool. And the screen folds down flat. Webcam is on the bottom. So that will give us that up the nostril look there. But the bezels aren't too bad here looking at it on first blush. But I'm very pleased with the weight on this thing. It really feels pretty nice. All right, so that is the computer part. We're going to take it apart here in a second. Let's see what else is in the box here as we work our way through. We've got some documentation and whatnot. We have another box of stuff, and I'm guessing part of this will be our power adapter, and sure enough it is. 230 watt power supply on this one. You need that for all the stuff inside, so you're not going to be running this off your USB-C dock or something like that. And then we've got the power cable, and that is pretty much it. All right, so let me get the patient on the table here, and let's take it apart and see what we can change out and upgrade. All right, so we got the case off of this one. Not too hard to get into it, and I wanted to show you some of the components. This is the 15-inch version, so I don't know if the 17-inch one will have more upgradability given its larger size. Underneath this metal plate here are the RAM modules. There are 2 slots available, DDR4 of course. I got mine configured with 2 sticks of 8 for a total of 16. You've got a SATA drive slot right here, and I'm going to be taking this drive out and installing this SSD instead. And then you've got an M2 NVMe drive over on this side. So you can swap that out later if you wanted to do that. And then, of course, your wireless card is over there. So that is the interior of the laptop. What I'm going to be doing now is putting this back together, and we're going to start doing all of our usual evaluations on this one, and we'll have a full review up on my main channel at lon.tv very shortly. I should also mention that I paid for this with my own funds. Therefore, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody paid for this unboxing, nor did anyone review it or approve it before it was uploaded. But Lenovo has been a past sponsor on the channel, but they're not sponsoring this video. And of course, I bought this one via retail, just like everyone else does as well. So stay tuned. More to come on this on the main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rajesh, Logic GR, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.